Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use intellij IDEA. It's a community version, so it's a free version. So I will tell you first how to download this software from the intellij website. So first we head on to the my Chrome. Open Chrome and in Google write intellij. This is the intellij website. From here you can download the intellij IDEA 2023. It's a latest version, so you have to download latest version. So they have the different type of version like community version and intellij premier, that is a paid version. So first we go to downloads, or you can download click on this link. This is a website. It will take some time to load as my internet is not very good. So this is a website from where we can download intellij IDEA. This is the interface of the intellij. They have explained different features: smart editor, run debug, frameworks, web development, remote development, collaboration, built-in tools, and plugin marketplace. So the smart editor, basically we can edit our code in smart editor. So it's easy to write code of Java or other language or anything you want to write code, C or C++, in run and debug. So you can run your code and debug your code, and you can debug your code line by line. You can go into the functions, any function you have write, you can go into the any class you want to, and you can write interfaces, and you anywhere you can go. So the framework, it's only available for the ultimate version. So basically you can follow any framework you want to. So basically you can work on, and the web development feature is also available, but it will be available for the ultimate version. And then in the remote development, the remote development basically allows you to write a code anywhere from the world. It's just using the internet, and it will help you to write code. And collaboration means you can write code with your peer, or with your coding peer, means you can write code with your friend. So you both can work on the same project. So this is very helpful for the programmers especially. And this is the built-in tools. They have the many built-in tools. And then there is a plugin marketplace. You can download different or many plugin in your intellij IDEA that are very helpful for you. For example, you can write JSON. You can have a JSON plugin, and you can have different type of plugins. So this is a brief introduction. They have also added new features of intellij. For example, they have added the intelligence is very amazing. Of intellij is some amazing tool to work on. And here is the intellij IDEA. You can download this intellij IDEA from here. And now after clicking on this link, so basically they have the two version of the intellij IDEA. One is ultimate and one is community version. So ultimate basically a paid version, and community version is a non-paid. So for you can download from here and then download this community version from here. You can download exe file, zip file, or xemr file. So clicking by zip on zip this file and then download this file. So it started download, so I have already downloaded this software. You can run this software by clicking on it. It will take some time to open. So you can have different project and you can open new project or open existing project and then transform mock server. For example, this is my project that I'm working on. It will take some time to load. So here is my code that I have written, and this is these are the classes, these are the code that I'm working on. So first of all, we will start with the first option, that is called file. From the you can also create a new here also create you can new project or open a project, and you can also open a recent project. So and they have different option to work on. So if you want to export your project, you go here to file, and here is the export project. You export your project, and the project will be exported to your folder or location, whatever location you tell. And you can also create a project for the Eclipse. You can just create a project, and then it will be available to run into the Eclipse. So and there are many other options that like edit view. In view you can have a different tool windows. In tool windows you have a commit, project, bookmark, find, run, debug, and problem structure, and different type of project. It's there is also available the maven version control, where you can run using use a git or the Bitbucket. Then there are the build. You can here build your project from here and run your project from here. Then you have tools and VCS. In VCS you can attach your git project git account, and then you can pull and push code here using the git. It's basically the version control system window. In Windows you have different layouts for your you can customize your project, and then there's a help in different type of project. So there is another window that is called Maven. In Maven you have different commands. This is from here you can refresh your project. It's refreshing, as you can see. It will take some time, do its indexing, and then it will be available for you to use. By clicking here you can run the different command. For example, the maven clean and maven compile, maven deploy, install, package, ambient site, ambient test, ambient validate. These are different projects from here. For example, if you click on the ambient clean, it will start building your code and cleaning the project and using all the dependencies. So this is how you can work on this. There are also some tabs here that like version control again, and then run. When you run the code you will see the status of your code here. There's a to do, and to do when you comment to do anywhere in the you can see your to do here, to do list here. Problems whenever you face an error here you can find, like we have getting a warning here. Terminal, In terminal you can execute any command. For example, git push, git pull. You can pull or git clone your command, any command you want to execute, and then the build and then the dependencies. So here is the project that is getting starting indexing. It will take some time to index. So this is the overall overview of my of intellij. This is how you can use this intellij project. So that's all for today, and please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you can receive the any video we have, the notification of any new video you want to have. So take care, bye bye.